Hello guys, welcome to BSc first class. Myself Dr. S.S. Sendge. In this lecture, we see a syllabus of BSc part first semester first physics paper number first, that is mechanics first. This paper contains 2 units. Unit first, which is divided into 3 chapters. First chapter, vectors. Second chapter, ordinary differential equations. And third chapter, laws of motion. We see the syllabus of first chapter, that is vectors. It contains vector algebra. Next point, scalar and vector products. Then derivatives of vector with respect to a parameter, that is velocity and acceleration. This is the syllabus of chapter first, that is vectors. Then chapter second, ordinary differential equations, which contains different points such as differential equation, that is ordinary differential equation, and partial differential equations. The next point, first order homogeneous differential equations. Then another point is second order homogeneous differential equations with constant coefficients and some of the examples. This is the syllabus of chapter second, that is ordinary differential equations. Third chapter, laws of motion, which contains different points such as frames of reference, Newton's laws of motion. This is first unit. Okay, now we see second unit, which contains 2 chapters. The first chapter, momentum and energy, in which there are different points such as conservations of linear and angular momentum, then work and energy theorem. Next point, conservations of energy with single particle, then dynamics of a system of particles corresponding to linear momentum, angular momentum and energy, then center of mass, and last point, motion of rockets, in which we see only qualitative treatment. Okay, then second chapter, that is rotational motion, which contains different points such as angular velocity, angular momentum and torque, kinetic energy of rotation and moment of inertia of spherical shell, moment of inertia of solid cylinder, and this moment of inertia, that is about solid cylinder and spherical shell, is only about axis of symmetry. Okay, then last point, motion of spherical shell and solid cylinder rolling down an inclined plane. This is the syllabus of unit second, and this is the total syllabus of physics paper first semester first. Now we see nature of question paper. It contains, that is BSc part first university exam question paper, contains 3 questions. This question paper has total 50 marks. The first question is of MCQ type, that is multiple choice questions, in which there are 10 sub-questions, each sub-question carrying 1 mark. Therefore, for 10 sub-questions, question first has total 10 marks. Question second is of long answer type, which contains 3 questions. Out of these 3 questions, we have to write any 2 questions, each question carrying 10 marks. Therefore, question second has total 20 marks. Then, question third is of short notes. In this question, there are total 6 short notes. Out of these 6 short notes, we have to write any 4 short notes. Each short note carrying 5 marks. Therefore, for 4 short notes, question 3 has total 20 marks. Therefore, physics question paper for BSc Part First has total 50 marks. 20 plus 20 plus 10, that is total 50 marks. Similar, paper second is of 50 marks. Therefore, total semester first, for semester first, physics subject has total 100 marks. Okay. Similarly, for semester second, physics has total 100 marks. That is, total theory papers have 200 marks. Now we see about marking system of practical. You have total 20 experiments for BSc First. There are total 20 experiments. These 20 experiments are grouped into 2 groups. That is, group first and group second. In group first, there are 10 experiments, and in group second, there are 10 experiments. You have to do 1 experiment from each group. That is, in BSc First practical exam, we have to do total 2 experiments. Each experiment carrying 21 marks. Therefore, for 2 experiments, total 22 marks, and 8 marks are given to journal whether it is written properly, that is punctuality, by saying punctuality, regularity, and so on. Therefore, total marks for practical being 21 plus 21, 2 experiments, 42, and 8 marks for journal, that is total 50 marks. Therefore, physics subject has practical of 50 marks. Okay. Therefore, the physics subject is of total, for BSc First, the physics subject has total 100 marks for semester first, 100 marks for theory semester second, and 50 marks for practical, that is total 100 plus 50, that is 250 marks. Each subject carrying 250 marks for BSc First course. Okay, and thank you.